Hi guys, this is Pranay here. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm surrounded by a lot of bags and I'm here to take you all on a special tour. India has a lot of luggage brands and we have two of India's biggest luggage brands here versus our Yumi Cabin Pro luggage. And I'm going to be showing you why our bags are just built different. So today, I'm going to be comparing these three bags on 5 factors: build, durability, capacity, quality, and finally, value for money. Talking about the build now. This Yumi bag here is made using 100% German polycarbonate. It's made of an unbreakable shell and ensures that this bag has maximum longevity. This bag here is made using 100% polypropylene. So if you're looking for something lightweight, this bag is the bag to go for. And this bag over here is again made using 100% German polycarbonate and is an equal material when it comes to our Yumi Cabin Pro. Let's get to the exterior features of these bags. Our biggest USP is our front laptop compartment. As you can see, you can keep up to a 16-inch laptop in these bags to ensure that you never have to carry a backpack when you're traveling with this bag. You can keep a 16-inch laptop and iPad. We also have a cool key holder here to ensure that your keys are never lost while on your travels. Next, we have a TSA approved lock, but the most updated one to ensure that you can have USB-A and C charging while you're on the go. We also have a coffee holder and key hooks here to ensure that even if you're traveling with bags or your coffee mug, you can still have a hands-free experience by hanging them or keeping them in these designated areas. Lastly, we have a name tag here so that you can customize your bag and make it feel completely personal. Because at the end of the day, it's all about you and me, right? Lastly, we have Japanese Hinomoto Silent Run wheels. They are the best in the industry and they'll ensure your bag glides like butter. Coming to the exterior features of this bag, you can see that there really isn't much. They have a basic TSA lock here to ensure that your bag remains safe. And as you can feel, the wheels are not bad, but they definitely do make a lot of noise. And let's get to the third bag. This bag, made of the same material as our Yumi bag, is definitely built with good quality, but lacks a lot of features that our bag does. As you can see here, it has a basic TSA lock similar to the bag that I explained previously, but apart from that, the wheels are quite stiff and overall lacks any other features. And now for the final test. You must have heard of the saying, a pen is mightier than the sword, and I'm going to show you exactly how mighty this pen could be. This bag is passed. And so has our Yumi bag. So what exactly did I do here? I've basically shown you one of the most important features that should exist in a luggage bag but doesn't exist in 95% plus of the luggage bags that are sold in India, which is the anti-theft feature. Have you ever wondered while you were packing or once you reached a destination if your items have gone missing? You don't necessarily just need to think that maybe you've forgotten it, but it could have actually been lost in transit. And this is the case with a lot of people and a lot of bags, and these are multiple cases reported in India. So do ensure that the next time you buy your travel luggage, you definitely have anti-theft zippers with you, just like our Yumi bag does. Now let's talk about the internal compartmentalization, the capacity, and the weight of these three bags. So over here we have our Yumi bag. The Yumi bag has a 52-liter capacity and weighs 3.4 kilos. If you dive deeper into this bag, you'll see our compression pad system here, which allows all your products to stay intact. So even if you're traveling a lot or if your bag tumbles too much, your belongings will stay in their place. Coming to this bag, you can see that this bag has a very basic features when it comes to internal compartmentalization, but this bag is the lightest of the three bags here. It weighs 2.7 kilos and it has a 32-liter capacity. This bag here on my right has a 34-liter capacity that can be expanded to 40 liters. It weighs about 3 kilos and has a very basic internal compartmentalization. Coming to the final factor, value for money. First, we need to understand the pricing of these products. This product here sells for about 4,000 rupees in the market. The idea of spending less is not just about spending less money, but it's also about getting the right value for the money you're spending. Coming to the Yumi Cabin Pro luggage bag, you can see that this bag here sells for 11,000 and feels value for money. With the customized name tag, the anti-theft zippers, the coffee holder at the back, the hooks to hang your belongings, the laptop sleeve in the front, and the Japanese Hinomoto wheels. And coming to the last bag here, this bag here sells for 15,000. It has anti-theft features, has an ability to expand from 34 to 40 liters, has decently good wheels, and an overall great design. To conclude, this bag over here for 5,000 rupees is definitely a practical bag for most, but you can do better. This bag over here for 15,000 is definitely overpriced for the features it has. At the end of the day, there's only 2 to 3 features that it can really boast about. The Yumi bag here at 11,000 has all the features we've spoken about and a lot more, and we definitely feel is a clear winner. If you have any other products that you feel are comparable at these price points to the Yumi bag, please feel free to post them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to draw up a comparison video as well. If you've made it this far, please like, share and subscribe, and let us know which feature you like the most. See you in the next one. You actually thank God, bach gaya. Bro, I don't know how you're gonna use this.